Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Art House. A couple of days ago, Adobe introduced another game changer in Photoshop, the Rotate Object tool, which lets us manipulate 2D images as if they were 3D objects, allowing us to rotate, tilt, pivot, and adjust perspective in real time. As I'm recording this video, this feature is only available in the new Photoshop's beta version 27.5.0, but I'm sure it'll make its way into the regular release sooner than later. In this example, I'll manipulate this tin toy robot so it appears to be standing on the highway and then blend the rotated object with the background using the Harmonize filter built into the same contextual taskbar as the rotation tool. So let's begin. Open the Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command T and click Rotate Object in the contextual taskbar. Photoshop's AI analyzes the 2D object and determines how it would appear from different angles. This generally takes about 10 to 20 seconds to process, so I'll speed this part up. Photoshop shows a low-resolution preview of the object. However, when we're done, it renders a high-resolution result. There are a few ways to manipulate the object. One way is to use the symbols along the edge of the bounding box. The bottom symbol controls rotation, the left symbol adjusts the tilt, and the right symbol changes its perspective. I'll manipulate it more to get what I want. I'll speed this up. We can adjust its overall size by dragging an anchor point. If you want to start from scratch, click this icon in the Properties panel. If you don't see the panel, go to Window and Properties. It resets the object to its original state. We can adjust the rotation, tilt, pivot, and perspective if we want that as well. There's also a third way. In the contextual taskbar, click Rotate and drag the slider left or right to rotate the object. Drag the Tilt slider to tilt it, and we can rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise by dragging from a corner. I'll start from scratch again and position the robot so it sits naturally on the highway. By the way, if you're liking this video, please click Like. When we're finished, click Done. After it's processed, Photoshop generates a high-resolution version of the object. If we want to edit the adjustments, in the contextual taskbar, just click Edit Rotation, which will return the 3D controls to just prior to clicking Done. Next, we'll click Harmonize to blend the object with the background so it appears as if it naturally exists within the scene. Photoshop generates 3 variations. And if you'd like to see 3 more, simply click Generate. This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. Thanks for watching, and remember, be safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.